They lead it. It's in the back of the net.
They got their 2 goal chances. They stuck them, and that's what won the game for them.
Trophy. It's Kilkenny who are the All-Ireland champions for 2009.
I've a strong memory of walking into the dressing room and seeing Eamon O'Shea thrown down crying actually in the physio's room. Going back to the hotel afterwards, the team hotel, the Burlington Hotel, like it was where you'd meet your family and you know, you feel you've left them down.
You're defined as a player really, I think, as to how you get through the hard times. And Owen really was the shining light for us through the hard times. And that's a testament of what he's done for Tiobraid.
Tipperary have won the All-Ireland dramatically. A superb, fantastic display by Liam Sheedy's team.
We outfought them. You know, our work ethic was second to none that day. We went to hell and back to get up to Hogan Stansted.
The Premier County are the top county in hurling for 2010.